Hey and welcome to my black filler videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to get free games, full version and all that you want. Videos and films and music and if my browser won't open. First of all, you need to download uTorrent. Then you go to google.com lag. Sorry by lag, but yeah. Then you take uTorrent download. It was that, and it's secure. Then you have downloaded. I don't need it because I already have it. Then you have downloaded it. So can you go to esohunt.com and all that game you want to get, can you seek here? I want to get Call of Duty. Search. See, and all this can you download, but please check the comments. There can be virus in the things and crack and all that. But it was all to now. Thanks for watching.